rotational catalysis model of ATP synthase. Basically, ATP synthase is an enzyme that allows the passage of proton through mitochondrial membrane. It has alternative alpha-beta units and the gamma subunit which helps it to rotate its shaft. Here we have shown the mechanism by which it produces ATP.
Here, the alpha-beta subunits are alternating. The beta subunit is the main unit for ATP synthesis. When during the electron transport chain mechanism in the mitochondria, there is an electrochemical gradient formed, because of which the central shaft that is gamma rotates, which we have shown here as an arrow. It attaches to each of the alpha and beta units and form ATP. Here, because of the rotation of the central shaft, the beta changes into three conformation change. First, it is beta ADP plus Pi, which is loose binding site for ATP. When this rotates, it forms beta ATP, which is a very high binding site for ATP. Again, when the central shaft rotates, it forms beta MT, which then releases the ATP from the surface into the mitochondria. On every one rotation, 3 ATP is synthesized. The ATP is synthesized only when 3 protons enters into the mitochondrial membrane. This is also called as binding chains model for ATP synthesis. Thank you.